Welcome to ninth chapter of Metaphysical Art of War. Krishna says, Vedam tu te guhyatam pravakshamyan suyave jnanam vijnana sahitam yajñatva mokshase ashubhat. By knowing this, you shall be relieved of the miseries of material existence. Rajvidya Rajguhyam Pavitram Idam Uttamam Pratakshavagamam Dharmya Susukham Kartavyam Vyam. This is King of Education, King of Secrets, purest and highest. It's understood by direct experience. Way of living dharma is executed, gives everlasting pleasure. Ashaktanaha Purusha Dharmasyasya Paranta Aprapya Mam Nivartante Mrityu Sansar Vartamani. Faithless persons traversing in this way of living dharma, O killer of enemies, without obtaining me, they come back to this land of death again and again. Maya tatam idam sarva jagadam vyakti murtina matstani sarva bhutani nachaham teshvasvarastitaha. By me, my unmanifested form, entire vision is pervaded, entire universe is pervaded. That's what Krishna says. All beings are in me, but I am not in them. Nacha matstani bhutani pashyame yogameshwaram bhutvanna cha bhutasto mam atma bhutbhavana. Yet this creation is not situated in me. Just see my inconceivable mystic power, maintainer of living beings. Myself is the source of all this. Yatha akasasthito nityam vayu sarvatra go mahan tatha sarvani bhutani matstani tipadharayah. Understand that as the mighty wind blowing everywhere rests always in the sky, all beings rest in me. Thank you. Krishna says, Sarva bhutani kaunteya prakritim yanti mamikam kalpakshaye punastani kalpado vishvajamyaham. He says, at the end of the millennium, all material manifestation enter in my nature. And at the beginning, I create them again and again. Same way it was explained as before, every person dies and it comes back again. And he goes through 84 lakh species. Same way happened with the manifestations. Prakritim swam vastabhya visrajami punah punah bhutugram imam kratasnam vasam prakriti vashat. Whole cosmos, nature, is under me. Under my will, I manifest and annihilate again and again. As initially said, the whole cosmic manifestation is in a state of flux. It is like a dance of Lord Shiva. Integration and disintegration is going on and on, as written by Fridtjof Capra in his book, Tao of Physics. Nacho mam tanis karmani nivatnanti dhanjaya udasina vadasinam saktam teshu karmashu. These don't bind me. The actions they perform, Krishna says, I am performing these actions of manifesting and then annihilating the whole creation. They don't bind me. Why? Because he says, I perform these in a detached state. Maya dakshashena prakritiha suvete saracharam sacharacharam hetunamena kaunteya jagat parivartane. I am reason, cause of this. Whatever happened is but these changes taking place there by me. Avujaranti mamudha manushim tanumashritam param bhavamajananto mam bhuta maheshwaram. Fools think I descend in human form. They don't know my transcendental nature as Lord of all these cosmoses. There are innumerable cosmoses of this kind, or Milky Ways, that's what Krishna says, and I am Lord of all those cosmoses. Moghasha moha karmano moha jnana vichetasaha rakshashim ashurim chaiva prakritim mohinim shritaha. Such fools attached to their hopes, actions, knowledge, attracted by demonic views, get attached and get defeated. Mahatmanastu mam partha devim prakritim ashritaha bhajantyananya manso gyatva bhutam bhutadimvyam. Those who are situated in my divine nature without deviating, knowing the origin. Satatam kirtayanto mam kirtantascha dadvata namasyantascha mam bhaktya nityayukta upasate. Always chanting my glories with devotion, determination, they are situated in my devotion. Jnana yajnena chapyanne yajanto mam upasate ekatvena prataktvena bahuda sivato mukham. Others engage in sacrifice by cultivation of knowledge, worship as the one without a second, as diverse in many, in universal form. Krishna says, Aham ritur aham yajna Sadha aham aushadam mantro aham vajya aham agnir aham bhutam. I am Vedic ritual, I am the sacrifice, the offering to the ancestors, whatever the people offer, the healing herb, the chant, the butterfly and the offerings. Pita aham asya jagato mata dhata pidamaha Vedya Pavitram Omkara Riksam Yajurevacha. I am the father of this universe, mother, and the grandfather. I am the object of knowledge, the purifier and syllable Om. I am Rig Veda, I am Samveda, and I am Yajurveda. So says Lord Krishna. Gatir Bharata Prabhu Sakshi Nivasa Saranam Surat Prabhu Pralaya Sthanam Nidhanam Bijam Vyam. I am the goal, the sustainer, the witness, the refuge and the most dear friend. I am the creation and the annihilation. So says Krishna. The resting place and the eternal seat. Tapamya ham varsha nigrahamya sajami cha amritam cha eva mrityuscha sadachaham Arjuna. O Arjun, I give the heat and I send forth the rain. I am immortality, I am death. Both truth and untruth are in me. Travidya mam somapaha putapapa yagyarishtva swargatim prarthayanti te punyama sadhya surendra loka masanti divyan divi deva bhogan. Knower of the three Vedas and drinker of Soma juice, seeking the heavenly planets, worship me indirectly. Purified of sinful reactions, they take birth on the pious heavenly planets of Indra, where they enjoy luxury of the Devas. O Krishna Arjuna. Krishna says, Tetam bhutva swargalokam vishalam kshine punye murtilokam vishanti evam trayi dharma manu prapanna Tathagatam Kam Kama Labhante. When they have thus ended the results of the pious karmas, it's exhausted, they return to the mortal planet again. Ananyas chintayanto mam ye janaha paryupasate tesham nityayuktanam yogakshemam vahamyaham. But those who don't meditate for material benefits, material achievements, Krishna says, I take care of their material and metaphysical needs. First, he has explained that those who worship for material gains, what happens to them? Then, because they have to come back again and again in this mortal world. Whereas here, those who only do to attain the absolute, they don't come back again and again, and he takes care of them, their material and metaphysical needs. Ye apyanya devata bhakta yante shaktiyanvitaha te api mameva kaunteya yajanta vidhi purvakam. Those who worship other gods for their needs also are indirectly worshipping me. At the end, they come to me. So says Lord Krishna. Aham hi sarvayajnanam bhokta cha prabhureva cha natu mam vijananti tatte natasvanvanti te. I am the only enjoyer and Lord of all sacrifices. Therefore, those who do not recognize my transcendental nature, they fall down. So says Lord Krishna. Yanti devata devan pitran yanti pitrvrataha bhutani yanti bhuteja yanti madhyajino api mam. Those who worship demigods will take birth among them. Those who worship to their ancestors will take birth among the ancestors. Those who worship the ghosts and spirits, they will go to their abodes. Those who worship me will live with me. Patram pushpam phalam toyam yo me bhaktya prayachati tadaham bhakti prahatmasnami prayatatmanah. A leaf, a flower, a fruit, or a water, I accept from the devotees if they offer with love and devotion. Yad karoshi yadasnasi yad juhosi dadasi yad tapasi kaunteya yad kurushva madarpanam. Whatever you do, whatever you eat, you offer or give away. Whatever austerities you perform, do that, O son of Kunti, as an offering to me. Shubha Shubhapalaevam Mokshe Se Karma Bandhane Sannyasa Yoga Yuktatma Vimukto Mamupeshyasi. In this way, you will be freed from auspicious and inauspicious results of the karmas. Your mind fixed on me, you will be liberated. The actions which we perform, it has good and bad effects. But if we give up the things, the actions, the result of the action to the leader like Krishna, then whatever you perform, you are liberated by the results of the actions and those taken care of by Krishna. That's what he explains to Arjuna in this chapter in context to him, for him to fight against the wrong people. Thank you. Samoham sarva bhuteshu name dvesho asti na priyaha ye vajanti tumam bhaktya mai te tesu chapyam. I am equally disposed to all beings, but whoever worships me with devotion is a friend, is in me, and I am a friend to him. Api chet sudacharo bhajate mam anyabhav sadhureva samantavya samyak vyavastito yahi saha. Even if one commits the most abominable action, If he is engaged in devotion, consider him a saint, because he is in the process of becoming. He says even if he has done wrong things, but he treads the path of devotion towards him, he is in the process of becoming a saint. Shipram bhavati dharmatma sasvat shanti nigacchati kaunteya vrati jani name bhakta pranashyati. In the process he becomes righteous and attains lasting peace. Know that, O son of Kunti, my disciple never perishes. Mam hi partha vyapasitya yepi shiva paviyoneha striyo vaishyas tatha sudros te api yanti paramam gatim. Me, Partha, even if those who take the shelter in me, Partha, even if she is a prostitute or she is a wrongdoer of any kind, or if he is a businessman who is doing wrong throughout his living, if he follows me, he can attain the higher state and go to a higher destination. Kim punar brahmana punya bhakta rajarestatha anityam sukham lokam imam prapya vajasumam. If lowest attain higher states, what to say about the higher ones? So meditate on me, O Arjuna. Manmana bhav madbhakto madhyaji mam namaskuru mam vaishyashi yukta vaiva matmana matmanam matparayanaha. So from the mind, become my devotee, O Arjuna. Offer obeisances to me, being completely absorbed in me. Surely you will come to me. Thank you.